Does Hisense Smart TV 43-inch have Bluetooth? Hisense 43-inch smart TVs may or may not include Bluetooth, depending on the specific model. While some models come with built-in Bluetooth for wireless audio connections, others may only offer wired connectivity options. It is essential to check the product specifications to confirm whether a particular Hisense 43-inch TV supports Bluetooth. 1. Bluetooth availability in Hisense 43-inch TVs. Not all Hisense 43-inch smart TVs have Bluetooth. Models running on Android TV or Roku TV platforms are more likely to feature Bluetooth, while some standard smart TV models may not include this option. 2. How to check if your Hisense TV has Bluetooth. To verify whether a Hisense 43-inch smart TV has Bluetooth, you can check the TV's user manual or product specifications for Bluetooth support. Go to the TV settings menu and look for a Bluetooth option under connectivity settings. Try pairing a Bluetooth device like headphones or a soundbar through the TV settings. Third, alternative ways to connect Bluetooth devices. If a Hisense 43-inch smart TV does not have built-in Bluetooth, you can use alternative solutions. Bluetooth transmitters that connect to the TV's audio output, 3.5mm jack or optical port, soundbars with Bluetooth support that connect via HDMI ARC or optical cables, Hisense Remote Now app, if supported, which allows limited wireless control via a smartphone. 4. Other connectivity features in Hisense 43-inch smart TVs. Even if Bluetooth is not available, most Hisense 43-inch smart TVs include Wi-Fi connectivity for streaming apps and online content, multiple HDMI and USB ports for external device connections, optical audio output, or a 3.5mm headphone jack for wired audio setups, screen mirroring or casting options for smartphones and tablets. 5. Choosing a Hisense TV with Bluetooth. For those specifically looking for a Hisense 43-inch smart TV with Bluetooth, consider choosing Hisense Android TV or Roku TV models, as they are more likely to include Bluetooth support. Checking the product specifications before purchasing to ensure it meets your connectivity needs. Hisense 43-inch smart TVs may or may not include Bluetooth, depending on the model. Checking the TV specifications before purchasing is the best way to confirm its features. If Bluetooth is not included, external adapters or sound systems can help enable wireless audio connectivity.